up these base hits. Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong, while the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about copied and trades. Life advice means with scalping plays. Someone so early, now they regret. Man, I should've held, yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. MNQ 50 out, then it dips quick. The reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, so we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Yeah, just stacking up these base hits. 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 Let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Yeah. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. MNQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get sweat, get it, that's that script. Stay alive, that's a real win. Then tomorrow we trade again. Alright, guys. Go base hit. We'll take that.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. How are we doing? Sorry for getting to the charts late today. I was out golfing, had a commitment a few weeks ago, and the only tee time that we could get was a little bit late, so making me a little bit late. Hey, Lone Wolf, Miss K, Angia in the house, Randall. Good evening, everybody. Looks like I missed a few comments over on the other side. Miss K and Lone Wolf also. Thanks for spreading the love over both channels. Hey, Tony L, how you doing? Good evening. Okay, just double check everything. We got everything going good here. Seems pretty good so far. Line up the charts so it looks all nice, looking good. Hey Rod, how you doing? Oh, Panda had a fun weekend. Yeah, I saw those videos. It looked like a lot of fun. Abdul, hey man, how are you? We got 8 people in the vertical stream already, 19 in the full size stream. How's everybody doing? I just closed my short and the Grand Cup has started. Nice. I was like, when I first got home here, I was watching the VWAP, and look at that, we bounced up to the VWAP, previous day low, rejected off there. So nice. What is this? $82 points? Really? Is that really what it was? Yeah, 80 point sell off there. Pretty beautiful. If you guys, anyone caught that. So pretty high volatility this morning, or this evening, sorry. 94 points, basically 100-point moves. So be careful here. You shorted at 55. Nice, at the rejection area here where there's a bearish fair value gap. Just so happens. I feel like my chart is reacting a little bit slow. That's okay. Not much. You want to go a little at first? Yeah, for sure. Start the week off nice and slow.
what's up? Good evening.
So today golfing was pretty good. I didn't get the best score. I was over 100 strokes, but this course that I played at is I think I've only played there one time before, and that was like 4 years ago. So I don't really remember it all, and it's quite a hard course in general. There's so many water traps and all kinds of like deep grass everywhere. So definitely a challenging course. So the last 2 rounds that I played this year, I got like just over 90. So Adventure Time, hey, how you doing? Where are the orders? Looks like we have some orders above at 29,100, 29,150, and then we have a little bit below too at 28,900. Just make sure I got everything hooked up properly here. Guys, smash the like button. It's luck. Yeah, it brings luck for the giveaway tonight. Hey, Angia, how are you? Or Angia, I read your message. Hey, ForceFed, how are you doing? Good evening. Good evening. So I don't know if you guys saw that, but I did post in the Discord. We have 50% off right now on Lucid accounts using my code MBT. If you guys are thinking about getting any more accounts, definitely a good time to do it. It is limited to per person, so you can use it for any 2 accounts, including their direct accounts, which is not always common because they usually don't give discounts on the direct accounts like that. So that's kind of interesting. And if you're wondering what the direct accounts are, those are like the straight to funded ones, right? So you can basically bypass the eval and you go straight into funded. So pretty sweet deal.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now.
Okay. So looks like we're chopping a little bit here in this range, kind of forming a little bit of a flag or a channel pattern anyways. Sort of like that anyways for now. We got quite a bit of space down to the second standard deviation if we end up breaking below this level, 28,983. So, I mean, we got to kind of lean bearish at the moment, guys. We kind of, have been bearish for a couple days now, right? Making new lows since this last all-time high. We've been making lower highs and lower lows since, right? So currently, until we were to break above 29,475, we can't really be that bullish, right? Which is the high of Friday's price action. When Bitcoin? Shiv? Not sure, bud. I'm more of a long-term Bitcoin holder, so I don't really watch it that closely these days. I just pay attention once a week or so just to see how Bitcoin's moving. Hey, Oleg, good evening. How are you doing? Welcome back to the stream, buddy. All right.
Trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. MNQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. Alright, guys. Couple base hits.
Sport at 29K or wants to go lower. Is that what you're looking at right now? Yeah, I mean, so far we're kind of holding that level. We did get below it for a little bit earlier, right? Lots of pressure down there, but the buyers seem to be holding it up also. Popped up to the VWAP here, and now again holding the 29,000 area. Now, yeah, so if we get a nice strong break below, we could potentially target the 900 level, but you know, gotta stay a little bearish temporarily for now, just with the overall price action and whatnot. So how's our Dow's bearish? Where's our gold? Take a quick look at gold. Gold kind of sold off and bounced up. Okay, so still making lower highs though and lower lows. What about oil? Oil is looking a little bullish. We're up to 107. Jeez, guys. Hey, G Future. You're new to the stream? Hey, welcome. Welcome. How are you? I'm good. Thank you. How are you? If you're new, hit the link in the pinned comment in the description. Join the Discord. If you head over to the giveaway, tab, you can enter for the giveaway for tonight. We're giving away 125K Lucid Flex account. I'm doing well. Sure, I'll join your Discord. Hey, sweet. That looks like a Star Wars kind of character you got there. Or is that like a Roblox? It's hard to tell with the small image.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, trade like an adult. Yeah.
None of this is gonna matter when you get the blicky. Grunt 221. The blicky is the blicky. Isn't that like one of those like a pew pew thing you're talking about? Yeah, thanks, Angia. Straight up to 40 viewers already. Thanks. Welcome, everybody. The GAT. How many participants in the giveaway till now? I think we have about 99 or right around 100 people have entered so far. Yeah, we have 99 responses, although some of those are duplicates, and I've already gone through and taken the duplicates out using ChatGPT. But there's a few people that kind of put in a whole bunch of duplicate entries, basically. So use ChatGPT to like go through it all. And Jane's here. Maybe you're gonna win this time, or get to keep it anyways. You won before. Captain GK, you just joined the Discord. Welcome, buddy. Kind of popping up a bit here into this bearish fair value gap, 29,044. Yes, there's a giveaway, Suhail. Sundays. We got giveaways every Sunday for the last 2 Sundays, including this one, and then 2 more after this.
Everybody got a system.
No, if you filled it already, you'll be entered in for all the giveaways going forward. You just got to be in the stream. You got to be from a country that allows Lucid to trade with you. And then you can only win 1 week in a row. So if you win it, like if you were to win it this week or last week, You can't win it. Like if you won it last week, you can't win it this week. And if you win it this week, you won't be able to win it next week. So just so we can spread the love out. And then tune into the Tuesday and Thursday evening streams throughout the week. And we do a duck race there. And you get a chance to enter for another entry into the giveaway on Sunday. So nice. Good luck. Good luck. So I was thinking about it also. You got to join the Discord, just like what G Futures Trader said there. Join the Discord. In there's a giveaway like tab. Hit that. There'll be a little form there'll be a pinned comment with a form. Hit the little form, fill it out, and you'll be entered into tonight's and then the following 2 Saturdays also. And like I said, guys, if you join the stream any other time during the week, we're going to be doing duck races just to get like a second entry into the Sunday giveaway. So currently for this week, we have 3 people that have 2 entries into the giveaway because they won duck races during the week. Aaron, hey, how's it going? Jocelyn, good evening. You have the Blicky Bricky? Okay, brother. Okay, so we're kind of popping up a little bit here. Not really enough to make me think we're going to be bullish just yet. I would like to see us get over the VWAP. Where is the 100 levels? Right up here. Looks like the 100 orders did come off a little bit. It's not as dark as it was. And then we have 150 above that for another target. So let's take a look at the higher time frame here. We do have this 15-minute unmitigated bearish fair value gap up here, right at the 200 level. We do have 122 contracts at 200. So if we do end up getting bullish, we can try to target up to the 200 level. Let's take a look at a little bit higher time frame. Okay, the 200 level also has a 30-minute time frame, but not a 1 hour. We have a 1 hour up at 275 and a 4 hour not above. We have none above. Oh, we do. This guy right here. So 101. So 30-minute target, 164 to 170 area. So let's keep an eye on the volume here. Make sure if we get a bunch of volume and we end up taking the VWAP and getting above previous day high, we can target sort of a value area high, which would be a relatively good target here, which is, 60, 70 points to the top side. Are you currently in a trade? I entered 5 MNQ at 29,023. Nice. That's a good entry, bud. Good job. Seems like a pretty solid entry. And no, I'm not in any trades yet. I just sat down about 18 minutes ago. Benjing Lex. Hey, pump it, right? Tracy Sorette. Hey, welcome. You guys are in the vertical stream. So it's totally cool if you want to hang out there. That's with the book map and just me on the screen. But if you wanted to, in the comment section, we have a pinned message. Hit that link and that'll bring you over to the full size stream. And over here in the full size stream, we have, book map and trading view and a lot more people. So everyone's hanging out in this one mostly. We have about 57 viewers over here and there's about 6 in the vertical stream. But thank you for tuning in, guys. Appreciate it. Hey, 12 likes on the stream already. Thank you for that, everybody. Appreciate you. All right, we are popping up a little bit more here. We're starting to get pretty bullish, guys.
No magic formula.
Don't really want to buy on this green candle right now. Only 50 seconds left on this candle. So let's see what happens on these next couple candles. Noise in the house. What's up? Good evening, Noi. But damn, yeah, like this hammer candle here is pretty nice for a reversal. Came all the way down to the 29,000, bounced and found support here. Now again, if we can get a nice closure above the previous day low and or this overnight VWAP, maybe we'll look for a little bit of a retracement with a bounce and go from there. Noi sounds like a Thai name. Noi, are you from Thailand? Where are you from? Close? Laos? Oh, there you go. Nice job, Paul. Good guess. Good guess. Somebody knows his name origins. Sabaidi? Hello. Means little? Oh yeah? Oh, Noi means little? Sawandi crap. Are you also like originally from Laos or something, Paul? Works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't. We can look for a bit of a retest here at 29,040-ish area. See how it reacts if we end up getting a pullback down to this area. Sort of bouncing off this channel here. If this is actually a breakout starting. Oh, you're the youngest? Thai, but I speak a few languages. Oh, you're from Thailand? No wonder you know. That's so cool. I would love to go to Thailand. It's seems like the place to go. Especially with the way that everything's going in Canada right now. I saw a video recently where somebody said they live off of $300 a month. Not very comfortably, but can survive. They said if you have about 600 USD a month, you can live pretty nicely in bigger cities in Thailand, some of them. Again, not spending like a crazy on vacation or anything, but eating local food, having a rental place, gas and laundry and gym and stuff like that. So you have expat friends that moved there permanently. Nice. A class in the house. Hey, we got 103 people now currently on the giveaway. So when it does come time to do that, I've already had a list that I've been compiling with ChatGPT to just make sure there's no duplicates. And so what I do is I just download the file, upload it to ChatGPT, and get it to reference the names and everything. To make sure that we're not giving away duplicates to anybody unless you won the duck race. Then you get another entry. Bambino BMW in the house. What's up? How you doing? I'm considering picking up a Lucid Direct account. I don't know, 50% off, pretty hard to pass that up right now. You can get 2 accounts at 50% off, which is pretty killer. In Italy, you could live for around 1,000 to 1,200 a month, all in, including rental and everything. Randall, that sounds pretty awesome. I really enjoyed Italy while I was there. Also, I don't know. Probably, I think the best bang for the buck is always 50K, right? You get the most amount of drawdown for the most. Like if you compare dollars to drawdown, like how much it costs to draw down, I think 50K is often the best account for that sort of ratio. Randall, I rented a car when I went to Italy, and I drove 2,000 kilometers in eight days. Basically started in the south at Naples, went down to the Amalfi Coast, and then basically hit all the main cities all the way up to Venice in the top northeast corner of Italy. It was a dream trip of a lifetime. You okay, bud?
We here to survive. Ay, I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang.
Sort of flagging out here a little bit again. I should have probably entered on one of these dips here at the 48.50 level. Now we're already 15 points up. Are you in Grand Cup Challenge? No, I'm not. That's the Grand Cup Challenge. Is that with Top Step or something? Was it? I did not get into that. I heard somebody talking about it, but a few days back, but I haven't gone into it. Tradeify? Nice. It's obviously too late to enter, right? Or is it not too late? It is insane. People making like 30 grand already in the first half an hour or what? Oh, it's not too late? Oh, it goes on to the end of the week. It started today. Free to join. Top 1,000 get paid. 16K. Oil is ready to pop. I was almost thinking the oil looks like it wants to go down, but I don't really trade oil very much.
We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying live. 50 people watching. 20 likes. Hit the button, see? MNQ on the
Top traders, top 1,000 traders get paid. Damn. Okay, we're getting a bigger pullback here. That's why I wasn't like looking to buy up there. We're just asking for drawdown here, 15 points. We do have a bullish for a value gap on the 2-minute down at 27, unmitigated. You asked Mr. Mustang to join and asked him to win number 1. Nice. Let's go. Big risk Joe in the house. What's up, buddy? Welcome. I live in Romagna near Rimini Riccione, Venice. It's 2.5 miles north of me. Wow. Or 2.5 hours north of you. Nice. That's cool. Well, are we rolling over here? Kind of now. What? Hard to take it long here. The orders at 150 came off, guys. 29 150 came off. 29 100 is relatively thick. Looks like about 90 orders there. MNQ sweepstakes and it rips back quick. You missed by one tick. Yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang. Yeah, we don't rush. 29,027. This is kind of an interesting level for me. It's lining up with the trend line, bullish fair value gap. We love that stuff. Up 850 on a funded account. Next guy, blue mine. 104 people now signed up in the giveaway. Oh geez, I'm worried actually. If we get many more people, I might have to get premium duck races, because I think you can only put up to a maximum of 100 people in there. But I think we had a few duplicates, so I think overall we have a couple spaces. Yeah, I know. I'd have to do premium duck races. If you look in the pinned comment there, that's a link to the Discord. If you join the Discord in the giveaway channel, there's a form that you fill out, and then you get entered for today's Sunday giveaway, next Sunday, and the following Sunday giveaway. You missed last week's giveaway already. So how much is it for a premium duck race? I don't know if I want it. We might have to do a pinwheel. That would suck though. Pinwheels are just so boring. 1 month is $10. 12 months, $24 a year. What? Only $24 for a year? Equivalent to 6 cents a day. No auto renewal. Okay, well, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Yeah, I was almost thinking that what I could do is, split it up into 2 races, and then, take maybe top 3 of both races, and then put those in to win. Put those 6 to do like a final race to see who actually wins. 3-minute MNQ potential strength in the background. Volume spikes. Oh, you put it in the Discord folder? Let's see. Thanks for sharing that, Wayne. Base hits only, no fuzz. Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade. Right? We live. You okay, Rob? 50 people watching. You hungry? 20 likes. Hit the button, see? MNQ on the chart. I'm scalping every. You okay? Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight. Nah, wait, maybe not. No stop loss. I just wanna blow the account. MNQ sweepstakes and it back quick. You missed by one tick. Yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang. Yeah, we don't rush. Base hits only. No okay. Look at the drop. Yeah, chat going wild. Somebody said they ain't. I might have to get Ralph some dinner here pretty quick. He's seems like he's hungry. We don't want hungry dogs, We don't have a time typically, futures trader. Sometime in the next hour or so, give or take. Hour candle about to close without making new highs. Starting to pop up here again. Another candle turning bullish here. Just hard for me to fight the VWAP though, guys. I just don't really like to go long when we're below the VWAP. I mean, there still is potential that we're gonna rip, but Ralph he eats kangaroo. So kangaroo kibble and then kangaroo pate, I mix it up so it's all nice and moist. We only need to sign up once. Yes, correct, Noi. If you signed up already on that form in the giveaway channel, you'll be good for tonight's giveaway, next Sunday's giveaway, and then the last Sunday's giveaway. Because I think, let me just double check, but I'm pretty sure I got three accounts still left to give away. Yes, I still have 3 accounts. So tonight and 2 more Sundays in a row. Kangaroo that Dave raises in his front yard next to the chickens. Yeah. Yeah, you know, French bulldogs typically have lots of food allergies. So he was on a fish diet before, and then he was getting these like kind of like bald patches on his side of his body. And then I switched it over to kangaroo, and the fur all grew back. So yeah, so it's pretty good. We saved again. Yeah, the French. So do the French.
All right, guys. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now.
You hungry? Oh, his ears perked up when I said it that time. Oh, why are you gonna make me leave right now, Ralph? We could be breaking out here pretty soon. I'm surprised those orders at 150 came off though. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna go whip up his dog food real quick. Give me a moment. I will be right back. Sorry, I was out all day golfing. Be right back.
Trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say. War news dropping, markets don't play. Asia slow, feeling like I might sleep off, but then boom, TP hit while I DC. Went long on mess, yeah, 7-1-2-3. ATM dialed in, yeah, come trade like me. Plus 600, yeah, she flexing the game. Silver in Asia, yeah, we running that game. Market going for blood, yeah, we all know. Tick charts, fleet charts, where the volume flow. Rocket emoji, countdown, lift off. Oh, but then someone says, don't trade, yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we build that crew. 1K subs, yeah, we coming through. Coffee in the morning, charts at night. OP market, butcher stream, yeah, we do it right. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in joy. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking, yeah. Tomorrow, yeah, the chat logs off. Charts still moving, never really stops. But we back again when the sessions start. Market, but you gang, yeah, we play it smart. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close, yeah, the moves may run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in joy. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad pulling up. Weekend was ways, beer tasting, fill my cup. Early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say. War news dropping, markets don't play. Asia slow, feeling like I might sleep off, but then boom, TP hit while I DC. Went long on mess, yeah, 7-1-2-3. ATM dialed in, yeah, come trade like me. Plus 600, yeah, she flexing the game. Silver in Asia, yeah, we running that game. Market going for blood, yeah, we all know. Tick charts, fleet charts, where the volume flow. Rocket emoji, countdown, lift off. Oh, but then someone says, don't trade. Yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we build that crew. 1K subs, yeah, we coming through. Coffee in the morning, charts at night. OP market, butcher stream, yeah, we do it right. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in joy. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking, yeah. Tomorrow, yeah, the chat logs off. Chart still moving, never really stops. But we back again when the sessions start. Market, but you can, yeah, we play it smart. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in joy. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad pulling up. Weekend was ways, beer tasting, fill my cup. Early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say. War news dropping, markets don't play. Asia slow, feeling like I might sleep off, but then boom, TP hit while I DC. Went long on mess, yeah, 7-1-2-3. ATM dialed in, yeah, come trade like me. Plus 600, yeah, she flexing the gain. Silver in Asia, yeah, we running that game. Market going for blood, yeah, we all know. Tick charts, fleet charts, where the volume flow. Rocket emoji, countdown lift off.
Pretty much done.
But then someone says, don't trade, yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we build that crew. 1K subs, yeah, we coming through. Coffee in the morning, charts at night. OP market, butcher stream, yeah, we do it right. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in joy. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking, yeah. Tomorrow, yeah, the chat logs off. Charts still moving, never really stops. But we back again when the sessions start.
Operation Feed Ralph complete.
Play it smart.
Need to make 2.5K profits to be eligible for the top 1,000.
Good morning, where you trading?
That too with one micro.
Yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got
Nice job, AG. Keep it up. VWAP hit. Yeah, I saw that.
Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in joy. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad.
Only 2.5K. Obviously, you've made some money though, right?
Early morning surf, yeah,
Got myself a handful of blueberries. LOL. Nice. And you can only do that. You can only trade one micro. Is that like the rules or whatever? 2.5K as of now. It'll increase by the end of the week. Yeah. One mini, 19 micros. 10 micros. Gotcha.
Says, don't trade, yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we build that crew.
10 micros or one mini.
Subs, yeah, we coming
So let's see here, guys. Are the shorts gonna come back into play here? This is a question right now. Or are we gonna flip this and turn bullish? So we got previous day high, we got the 200 EMA, we have the VWAP here. Oil isn't necessarily popping yet. If it's only need 2.5K, then I can stop trading the Grand Cup once I hit the target. I think it's as time goes on, people are gonna have more profit, right? So then you probably have to have a higher target. That would be my guess.
Early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say. War news dropping, markets don't play. Asia slow, feeling like I might sleep off, but then boom, TP hit while I DC.
Let's get a different song going here. This one maybe? No.
Yeah, she flexing the game. Silver in Asia, yeah, we running that game. Market going for blood, yeah, we all know. Tick charts, fleet charts.
We live. 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see?
Hey.
On the chart,
Hey.
scalp in
Stop
every
it.
move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove.
Trying to get this guy to stop licking his feet. With the funded Lucid account, is there a buffer or 50% limit or just a 90-10 split? Yeah, they do have a split, and the target, I think the buffer is 2,000, right? So once you get above 2,000, then you can start, then your drawdown locks, right? So I'm pretty sure if you go to a, depending on which account you're talking about, yeah, I think your target is 3,000 if you're going with a direct account. If you're going with a Lucid Flex account, there's other rules, right? So if it's a Flex account, you have to have 5 days of $150 of profit and no consistency. And then I think the Lucid Pro, once you pass that, is 40% consistency. So the Flex, yeah, so you have to do 5 days of $150 once you pass it to like the funded stage to qualify for a payout. You got 100 profits from one trade and you're at 5,000. Nice. 50% split?
We live. 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button. See?
Dave, you think they're accumulating longs in this trading range? We'll see.
Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight. Nah, wait. Maybe not. No stop loss. I just wanna blow the account.
Yeah, we are popping up here, guys.
Then it rips back quick. You miss by one tick. Yeah, that's that trick. Small size.
Finally above the VWAP here, so we can definitely start considering longs.
Base hits only. No fuss. Look at the drop. Yeah, chat going wild. Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leveraging. Step
We can only request 50% profits. Oh, yeah, I see what you mean.
trade now I'm green like yeah, I planned it that way. Bird, I ran news, oil moving strange. Market don't care, still crabbing a rain. I slipped on the dog turd today. Bro, what? Chat going off, yeah, we love that stuff. 850 on a funded account. Next guy. I blew mine in one candle. I'm out. 53 watching, only 21 likes. Hit that button, don't be that guy. VWAC tag, yeah, we might just bounce. So fake you out and take you out. Gold long, let's eat. I'm short 5 micros, I'm in too deep. I don't get this pump. Yeah, same bro. Marcus said, watch this. Then it goes. MNQ on the chart. I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight, unless I forget. Then I'm sitting there like, why'd I do that? MQ sweep stops, then it rips back quick. You miss by one tick, yeah, that's that trick.
Really popping up here now.
Yeah, we don't rush. Market butcher. Base hit
Resistance here.
no fuss. Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade, right? We
Seems
live.
like we're just going higher, though.
Watching, 20 likes. Hit the button. See?
Nice job, Angia. One deviation is 172.61.
Mess running slow.
Where's my deviations bands here? That's this guy right here. 173, yeah.
Maybe
Quite a bit of space up there.
loss. I just wanna
Nice job, Anja.
Buy one tick, yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang, yeah, we don't rush. Base hits only, no fuss. Look at the drop, yeah, cat going wild. Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leveraging. Step one, don't trade like a savage. No, I cat hit by with his paw on the trade. Now I'm green like, yeah, I planned it that way. Burr, I ran news, oil moving strange. Market don't care, still crabbing around.
Pretty high volume on this last candle here too. Short entry is setting up nicely on MES and the 15-minute. Staying flat until we retest the near 50% of the recent move on the 15-minute. Let's see. Let's take a look at the 15 here. Sort of like 50% of this whole move, I guess you're saying, on the 50-minute chart, which is kind of where we are right now here. 29,111. These algo moves are not convincing, right? They're kind of, it doesn't look very strong. I mean, we're already pulling back quite a bit. What do we got? The new 15-minute candle here, 2 minutes into the 15-minute candle. Delta dump. Oh, wow. Yeah, quite a big delta dump there. We were up at negative 300 and 431, and then we're down at negative 900 now. So about a 500-point dump there on the delta. And delta doesn't look like it's really going up very much at all, but price is going up. So that's interesting. Maybe we're getting a bit of a divergence here. Around the 29,012 area. Getting a little bit of a climb there on the delta now. We went from about 937 up to 732. Is the book looking for higher? I don't see a whole ton of orders. We do have a little bit above, sort of at 125 and 150, but it's not stacked that heavy. We do have some at 200 and 275, but then we also have some down at 900 and 800. Anything at 145? Yeah, there's about 20, looks like around 20 or so contracts around that level. Not that easy to see that price right now. I'd have to scroll it in a bit. Looks like about 31 contracts there. Is this bullish or chop? I mean, so far we've been kind of looking pretty bullish. We had a bit of a flag pattern here. We broke out it and we're above the VWAP. So we're starting to definitely turn what looks a little bullish to me. Whether or not this is going to be sustained, like this could just be sort of a break above and then they're going to play around a little bit. If they end up coming down lower, obviously the bears are still here. Thanks, Skeletor. Appreciate it. Thanks for the like. Hey, 27 likes on the stream. That's awesome. Thanks, guys. But first things first, we got to get below this VWAP here if it's going to be actually bearish. $28 now. Thank you. CDZen. ES is still below the VWAP. All right. Yeah, that's good. I mean, that's what I was saying. This might not be a continued, like a sustained bullish move. This is ball sheet. Just when I went to get your daily loss limit. Damn. Sorry, bro. That sucks. Got a 3-minute pullback. Yeah. If we can invert this fair value gap here, that would be pretty stellar for the bears anyways. But they might end up trying to hold this level here, 29,075. But if we get a closure below that, you know, sort of down 69, that would be pretty good for the bears anyways. So this is like kind of a B setup for me, not like the best setup, but a short in this area, looking for a pullback down towards the 45 level. And yeah. Getting a bit of a bigger move here. So guys, I did end up taking a short, so I didn't fill you guys in. I didn't really want to get anybody in on this one. It's kind of a, like I said, it's a B setup to me, not that great. So I did enter a little early there. I just took those two off, so I reduced my risk here. I have 4 contracts left, so I'm going to put a stop to break even here on these 4. Hopefully we don't just instantly bounce around here. I'm up about 170, 180 in this account. Currently looking for a little bit of a move lower. If we can't get these other 2 contracts off here, would be nice. Come on. I'm thinking about just taking these 2 here anyways. Okay, so I took off 4 there. So I have 2 contracts left now. So I might just go break even, buy 2 stop, and let's take this down here. So let's try to leave this for a runner here. I might end up taking just 1 more contract off to let's put a buy 1 limit down here. down at the 34 area. See if we can't grab a little bit more off here. I haven't got into any of those challenges, AG. No. Thinking about just taking this guy off here too at the 50s. There we go. Okay. So I got one contract left here now. We'll leave this one buy stop, just break even, see what we can't get out of this. So I'm up about a couple hundred here in this trade so far already. So I'm just going to leave this runner here. Maybe we'll drag it down to like 90 for this guy. So I'm up 137 bucks on this one micro, which is pretty dope. So I should actually be a little more aggressive on this guy. Just let's go. If we get back above 60 here, I'll go to 60 or even just to this candle. I don't know. I'm thinking about just taking profits here. Currently open about 300 overall profit, but 133 on this last micro. Oh, you sent me a link to a premium duck race? Okay, I'll check that, Adam. Thank you for that. Adam Daz in the house. What's up? Okay, so if we're at 108 and we wanted to make another 100 bucks, that's 50 points. So we got to be at 658. Okay, let's just stick the stop at 60. Try to leave it a little bit of breathing room here. See if we can't get it to move lower. Hey, Brazilton, how you doing, buddy? You're long on this pullback? Uh-oh, that gets me a little worried, Wayne. Wayne's going the opposite direction of me. I'm trading NQ right now. I'm in this MNQ short. I scaled into this on this bounce here. Covered the majority of these the contracts already. I have one micro left, just sort of a runner. Seeing if we can't lock in a little extra profit here with the runner. Because, I mean, we should be able to sort of get down to at least to these lows anyways, sort of in the the 20 area, 29,020. So just dip buying, Dave. Nice. Well, I hope it works out for you too. I mean, either way, I got a good trade here. I'm up, 300 minus 138, so 260. No, 160. 2, 3. Yeah, 160 and then 140 runner. I don't know. Maybe I should be a little more aggressive on this stop here. Because to lock in a nice 300 winner would be pretty good. This is a new Lucid Pro eval. So a pretty decent trade out of the gate on the first trade on this one here. That's what I was saying, until we get some strong closures above the overnight VWAP, above previous day low, it's hard for me to not stay bearish at this point, guys, because, I don't like to fight the VWAP, so I don't like to buy long below the VWAP. Even though we did take the VWAP there, it's not really that bullish to me, right? 250 times 5. Nice job, Force Fed. Good job, bro. This one contract is up 160 bucks. I'm going to lock it in at 35 now. If I get stopped out, I'm okay with it. Be a little over a 300 winner here. Although I would like to see us get down to the 20s, which we kind of almost tapped them there. Come on, Bears. Let's go. We got orders below. Might just do a little wick up here, though. Yeah, I'm going to give it a little more space. Let's go to 50 here. I keep flipping around on my stop loss here. I just don't want to give too much back in case we do decide to start bouncing again. 80 points, Butcher? Heck yeah. On this one last contract, yeah, I've already locked in about 150 or so. 160 on the other contracts here. Here we go. Come on, let's go. If we start pushing down below the 20s, I'm going to start being a little more aggressive. We do have a bunch of orders down at 2,900. Yeah, I'm going to stop it out here if we bounce at all more, guys. I'm putting it to 29 here. Might be taken out of this trade here real quick. And I'm out. So 321 locked in on that account. Very nice, very nice. I'm happy with that. Going more long-term is the way to go. Yeah. Order almost hit to buy. Yeah, that's why I didn't really like the way that the price was acting there. I felt like I should just take my profits. You know, we've already made from my last entry there was 108 down to 30. I think where did I take it at? 32 or something. So 3-minute test bar on this level. I mean, it might still go lower here. Let's see. Let's listen to the shout out song, guys. This one was pretty awesome. Closed at 22. Nice trade. Nice trade. Good job. Closed 022 at 035. Okay, gotcha. 2 MNQs. Do you think it's best for new traders to trade the market open? The market open is probably going to be the hardest time to trade. Like, you know, I trade Monday to Friday with my good friend there, Mustang Trader, and we typically don't take any trades for at least the first 15 minutes after the open because it's just so volatile, right? So if you are looking to trade, maybe the open isn't the best for someone who's brand new, because the price doesn't necessarily reflect, you know, the overall trend. It can be so choppy, right? But learning maybe with a paper account, just so you can kind of get the feel, it's not a bad idea to, like, you know, put some time in on the market open, but maybe not trade your actual accounts, right? That's just my, you know, opinion to help protect someone who's new, right? Well, if you have experience trading, you can probably do that, right? Now I'm up 522 on the cup. Nice job, Facile. So at least you have some experience then, right? But just like I said, it typically is pretty, you know, volatile and can be like deceiving even after the first 15 is over, right? Thank you, Miss K. Everybody hit the thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you. Wear a helmet, right? 33 likes on the stream. Thanks, guys. So we have 96 people watching right now. So I'll tell you what, guys. If we can get to 100 likes, we'll do the giveaway. Is that too much to ask for? What do you think? What do you think? We're at 33 likes so far. But if we'll do the giveaway sort of after 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But if we hit the like button and get us to 100 likes, then we'll just do it earlier. How about that? So obviously we're gonna do it tonight, but the sooner we can get to 100, the sooner we do the giveaway. Let's go. Yakaway Tube, we're doing a giveaway every Sunday. The last 2 Sundays, today and 2 more Sundays in a row. But you have to join the Discord, and that's the pinned comment there in the comment section. Join the Discord. There's a giveaway channel in Discord. Once you get there, just hit the link and fill out the form, and you'll be entered for the giveaway for this Sunday, next Sunday, and the following Sunday. You just have to be live on the stream, be in a country that's able to trade Lucid, and then you can only win 1 week in a row, right? So you can't win back-to-back Sundays, basically. Charles Jolly, I'm really pushing it. What, trying to get 100 likes? Hey, we can do it. We have 97 people watching right now. We'd be so close if everybody just hit the like button, right? Taking a little heat still at 3 minutes. I mean, if everyone were to hit the like button right now, we'd be at 94 likes, right? So it wouldn't be that hard for us to get to 100 likes, right? We're already at 51. We just went from 33 to 51, just like that. So we can do it, guys. We can do it. Now, guys, let's see. Are we going to get another short entry is what I'm wondering here. Oh, thanks, guys. I see all the little heart interactions and the celebrations and the smiles and the 100s all flying up on the stream. Thank you for that. All those little interactions help us get it sent out so more people can see it. We're at 101 people watching right now. So 95 people on YouTube and 2 in X. Make sure you sign up for the giveaway for 1, and 2, hit that like button. As soon as we hit that 100 likes, we'll do the giveaway. If not, sometime after the next hour turns, we will do the giveaway. Christian, hey, how's it going? Chewy in the house. Rome wasn't built in a day, Charles. Thanks. Yeah, I know. We're trying. Dave, dip by in with a little heat. I don't know, Wayne, it's just so hard for me to be bullish. You know, we are making higher highs and higher lows, but, you know, we're still making lower lows and lower highs, right? Depends on how you're looking at it. Lady Sika's in the house. What up? You and Jane are the two that won the giveaways but weren't here to claim it. Frank Cam? Oh, Frank Cam will get us more likes, right? Well, I'm happy. I already took 1 trade tonight. Feeling pretty good about that one. I did take a little bit of drawdown on that one though. I was down, I think, almost $200 at the worst point. But that's what I was thinking is like, you know, even if we break the VWAP, if we just don't get much push after that, like, and we're creating these wicks up here, then I could see us definitely rolling over, and we did. So we might end up like retesting this and bouncing again, right? Don't remind me. $59 likes already, guys. So we only need 40 more likes, and we're gonna definitely do that giveaway sooner than later. We have 3 people watching in the vertical stream. Hey, everybody over there. If you are in the vertical stream, 5 people in the vertical stream, hit that pinned comment there, and you can join the full-size stream over with the rest of us. We have 107 people watching right now, and there's about 6 in the vertical stream. But thanks for tuning in, guys. Looking forward to seeing you over on the other side here. Energy trading poker. No, I'm not. I haven't been trading in the Tradeify Cup. Everybody's doing that. I guess I'm out of touch, so I haven't been trading in it. Maybe I should join it up and just try to see what we can do, but yeah. So we are getting a bit of a bounce here again. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not quite convinced yet. It's free, interesting strategy. Yeah, they're just trying to get people involved, right, in that community, right? It's always good. You're at 4,100? So you're in the top 1,000 then, obviously, right? Good job. Somebody call the cops. This guy's running away with it. Good job. Keep it up. So guys, check out Lucid, guys. All their accounts are 50% off using my code MBT. But I'm thinking about picking up one of these Lucid direct accounts. It's regular $529, so I guess you can get it for $265 for a funded straight to funded 50K direct account. That's a pretty good deal, man. $250 straight to funded. Can't go wrong with that. Oh, thanks, Paul. Wow, thank you, thank you. On the Tradeify Cup, you were up 3,500 with a rating of 488 a while ago before blowing up the account because I refused to lose. Sorry about that, Daz. Mr. Adam Daz. I'm gonna open up your open up that link here you said you sent me. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, yeah. Up to 1,000 names, eh? All right. Thank you for that. I'll definitely be using that. Do they still have consistency rules straight to funded? Yes. Yes, they do. So the straight to funded is 20%, which is pretty standard for the straight to funded. So I think for 50K, that's $600 max in a day you want to make. Back at the VWAP. Thanks for calling that out, Wayne. Let's see what happens here, guys. This might be, with this kind of candle, though, that gets me a little bit worried that we might bounce. We might get a bounce here. The fight between Ronda and Carano was rigged. They were already millionaires going into the fight. They had to talk before the fight. We are old ladies. Let's get it over with and enjoy the retirement. Are you sure? Is that what happened? The girl was out though, man. That girl was out cold. Like, she was like all wobbly and confused after. So I don't know how fake that was. Energy. What strategy do I use? So I use so for levels, I use key levels, which are called the value areas, right? So I set my value area high, point of control value area low. Typically, I'm trading off of VWAP. So whether we're above VWAP, we're typically bullish. If we're below it, we're bearish. Quite often, I'll be using fair value gaps for entries. And yeah, I do a little bit of a momentum trading. And also, you know, I'll trade opening range breaks, initial balance trades. So I have a number of trades that I like to trade. But I'm pretty common where I like to go stop to break even pretty quick. So yeah, I don't really have a specific strategy. I really like VWAP trades. I really like trading off the levels of the value areas. And quite often I'm using fair value gaps for either for targets or for entries, right? So higher time frame VWAP or fair value gaps for targets. So like 15, 30, 1 hour targets. And then I'll be using like the 3 or the 5 minute for entries. And also like I'll take into consideration inverted fair value gaps for entries also. So if we invert a fair value gap, kind of like what we're doing right now. So if this candle closes above, did we end up closing there above? No, we didn't. So if we take a look here, because we're above right now, but this is turning into an inverted fair value gap right here, right? So let's mark this guy like this. So if this candle ends up closing above this we can consider an inverted fair value gap. We have a bullish fair value gap below. So right now we can mark this one orange because I use my bearish ones as orange. So if we invert this guy, then we have kind of a double confluence for the longs. If we end up getting a little pullback, we could think about taking a long and targeting value area high. But yeah, I kind of use those for criteria. I like to wait to make sure that we have like more than one confluence with a fair value gap though. If you just take any fair value gap, often it won't work, right? So if you can line up your fair value gaps with like a VWAP or key levels, you know, that makes it a little bit more reliable. So I'm looking for that. But yeah, mostly VWAP. And when we're away from VWAP, if we're like in price discovery, then I'll be using fair value gaps for like entry opportunities. You know, we get a fair value gap, price goes above, pulls back into it. I'll be looking to long there for a continuation higher. So a little bit of blend of volume profile, a little bit of ICT, and then the VWAP. If they can fake wrestle, why not the Ronda fight? Yeah. Well, I just thought like after she got knocked out, that girl was like, she almost tried to fight the ref, right? Because she got knocked out. Am I thinking of an old fight? I don't know if that's the same one. So rejected off the VWAP here again, guys. But we did have this strong push up here with pretty high volume. How's the like situation going here? 65. So we only need 35 more likes on the stream, guys, and we'll be doing that giveaway. We currently have 104 people watching, so 102 in YouTube, 2 in X, and we have about 5 in the vertical stream right now. So if you guys are in the vertical stream, come join us on the full-size stream. We're doing a giveaway over there, and you have a link in the pinned in the comment section there if you want to hop on over. So the YouTube business. Hey, Jonathan Stonks in the house. What's up, buddy? How's your night going? Oh, what's up? You're always so generous, Jonathan. Thank you for that. You're way too kind though, bro. You don't definitely don't need to do that. I appreciate you though. Thank you. Ranja's got 2 ducks in the giveaway in the race. Yes, he does. Ranja, and who else? We got a couple other people. Who was it here? We had Ranja. We had Mehdi and Wesley. Or sorry, Wesley is Ranja. Mehdi, Ranja, and Rocket Fuel with two entries. So hey Todd, how are you doing? Good evening. Do I recognize your name? I don't really recognize your name. Todd Haram. Welcome, buddy. I'll sub, seems chill, glad to join you. Hey, thanks, bro. I appreciate that. Thank you. Jay Remmer, if you look in the comment section there's a pinned comment that takes you to the Discord. Once you get in the Discord, there's a giveaway channel. Hit the giveaway channel and you'll find a link to the form. Just fill the form out and you'll be entered. I'm too lazy to learn new platforms to take up prop trading. Oh, really? How do I get in? Oh, just the form. Yeah, it's just a form. If you're in the streams, like any of the other streams, Monday to Friday, and we're doing a duck race, we're doing duck races to give sort of like a second entry into the race. So if you win a duck race during the week, you'll get an extra entry into the race. And that's kind of like how Rocket Fuel or Ranja and Mehdi ended up getting an extra entry. So rejected off the view up here again at 77, heading back down here to the 50s already. Yeah, I would just want to reward people who are actively in the stream, right? So we're doing duck races throughout the week just to give some more entries to the people who are actively in the stream, right? AJ and LWMSGM GHJS entered. Sub Noise saying what's up. Chewy and Jatin Salvi, welcome guys. Yeah, so just fill out the form, and then when you fill out the form, you'll be entered for the giveaway. Should have shorted the view up again. Hey guys, damn. Hey, welcome. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? LWMSGM. I'm not sure what that Luwum Sugum. Not sure what that stands for, but nice to meet you. You're from India? Hey, welcome. We have a few viewers from India. Hate to say it, but it looks like to bust my previous 22 entry on the 50 minutes, so still flat. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Kansas City in the house. Nice. We definitely have a lot of our friends from the United States. I'm a Canadian, by the way, eh? I live in a little bit outside of Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, on the West Coast. It is currently 9:55 p.m. here. How are we doing on the likes? How are we doing on the likes? Let's take a look. 72. 28 more likes. Anybody? 28 more likes and we can get that giveaway going right away here. You lived in SSM, Ontario for a year? Nice. Oh, 10:25 a.m. in India. Nice. No economic pulse. Once you're entered, once you're in for all the giveaways on Sunday. Hey, Jimmy Tan, what's up? How you doing? Gadget Gets, hello. You guys are in the vertical stream. If you want to come over to the full-size stream, there's a pinned comment there with a link to the full-size stream if you want to hop on over. We have 102 people watching right now over here. We're trying to get up to 100 likes sooner than later so we can get this giveaway going. The only place I visited in Canada was a place called Victoria. Have you ever heard? Of course have I ever heard. Victoria's like on Vancouver Island, which is like, you know, a ferry ride away from where I live, basically. And I love scuba diving over there. I go scuba diving on Vancouver Island quite often. Shorts, thanks, bro. Jonathan Stonks with another $2 giveaway or $2 super chat. Thank you for that, bro. Man, this guy spoils me almost every stream. This is giving me tips there. Thank you for that. I appreciate you, buddy. I appreciate you so much. You're a maniac. You were there on a port visit when I was in service. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. Lots of like older style brick buildings and stuff. Pretty beautiful area for sure. Let's go, Shorts. Keep going. Oh, I didn't set my midnight open price just yet. Let's take a look here. Where is this 2100 candle? So I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm a scuba instructor also. So I'm a scuba instructor, a technical diver, a solo diver, and you know, all the little add-ons. I have like, I don't know, 20 different certifications, maybe more. I love scuba diving in Mexico, in the cenotes. I'm a wreck diver. We dive on the wrecks. Yes, all PADI. The deepest I've gone is about 170 to 180 feet. You took a dive class once? Never again? Oh, no. Yeah, diving isn't for everybody, right? Muff? Yeah, I like that too. Muffins, right? I like muffins. Especially chocolate chip ones. Although I can't eat them anymore because they always have dairy. Because anybody else knows I do have a dairy allergy. You ever have knock out a fish because of your friends starting fights underwater? No, I haven't knocked out any fish. Scary shit if you ask me. You know, it's scary until you go diving, right? So everybody likes a little muffin diving, right? You throw the muffin in the water and then you go get it, right? That's what you're talking about? Yeah, it's pretty deep. It's technical diving. I carry quite a few tanks. Like I'll carry at least three tanks, maybe even 4 at the most. Sharks are nothing. Don't worry about it, Lafta. if you go most tropical places, you're only going to run into like reef sharks. It's not that common to find like dangerous sharks. So you joined the Xcaret tour for all the cenotes? Yeah, I did. I've done that before, but I usually hire, you know, directly from a dive shop and go do like a bunch of the actual like further out cenote dives, like Chalk Mole and Pet Cemetery, and trying to think of all the names. Starting to get a little bit of a bullish pop here. Barracuda is dangerous, the barracuda fish? Or are you talking about barracudas? I've seen quite a few barracudas. I've always wanted to take up diving, but I never lived near any water worth diving into. Fair enough, fair enough. Watch out for giant squids, hey? Yeah, those things are dangerous, but I think you got to go to certain areas for those. I don't have any around here, and I've never seen any where I go diving. You know, I've dove a lot in like Mexico, Hawaii. Hawaii's beautiful. I did night diving in Hawaii. Oh man, that's different level stuff. All the stuff comes out at night. Barracudas, I mean, you might get some aggressive barracuda, but for the most part, I haven't really seen it. Hey, you're welcome. What's scarier to see while diving, shark or orca? Oh, I don't want to see orcas. No thanks. I would rather see, depends on the type of shark, right? Some sharks are pretty dangerous too. Like obviously great white shark is freaking scary, but orcas are also very scary, right? I haven't seen either of those. So a 6-foot barracuda staring at you? Ooh, yeah, that'd be scary. I have a phobia of land slugs and snails, but I found out a fear of sea slugs. There's one that I found that was like 7 feet long. Yeah, I actually have a different YouTube channel, guys, with it's like kind of my dive channel. And I have some pretty cool like YouTube videos on there, or diving videos. Hey, it's an orange sea pen. Maybe a shortcoming, Zakaya. Ever seen Deep Rising? The movie freaked me out regarding the Octolus myths. Yeah, I saw that movie too. It's just my YouTube channel is this one is called David Stewart 5840 or something. Diver down. See, this is a giant dendronotid nudibranch. So this is a sea slug right here, and these ones can swim. So I kind of like give him a little poke, and then he like takes off and he starts swimming away. You'll see in this video, it's pretty cool. So this is like a giant slug. Not at colleges, but I just was teaching through a dive shop. See, look at this. Pretty cool, right? So this is a giant dendronotid nudibranch, and they are swimmers. So our water here is very cold and green. So, hey, there's a little grunt scope in here. Hard to see him, but he's a little cute guy. He's a little cutie. Uh-oh, what happened here? English soul. Painted greenling. Yeah, I got all of 15 subscribers in this channel though, so it's not like it's a big channel or anything. There's another pretty cute one here. Let's go back here. Where is lump suckers and friends here? So lump suckers are really, really cute, rare fish. As you can see right there, look at this little guy. They're so tiny, and they have these like tiny little fins swimming around. So there's me in the background there, and with the camera, I set up the camera. And then this guy's gonna start swimming away. They're pretty rare to find. Last time I wore a wetsuit was in a wedding when I spilled a drink in my lap. Anyways, enough of that. Take me back to the good old days of diving. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll show you one more thing, because I do some wreck diving also. So where is the wreck diving? Where is the wreck diving video? Britannia Beach wrecks? No. Oh, here, check this one out. So I helped prep this boat for sinking, and we this is Ashley. There's Dennis. That's my the guy who instructed me. Luke. That's Luke's wife. Amber and Sean. Those are good friends of mine. These two. And then so this was the sinking of a shipwreck, an artificial reef here. This one. I spent a bunch of hours on it helping prepare it. And then they set off a bunch of charges, as you can see, boom. And then watch this thing goes down so fast and perfectly lands on the bottom, perfectly flat. And then it's a wreck that you can go dive. It's 350 feet long. You can go right down the middle inside. It's pretty awesome, pretty cool experience. As you can see, it's all going down evenly right now. So they blow up a bunch of hatches all in, to spread it out so that the water fills in it nice and evenly, and then it just sinks down, and it lands perfectly on the bottom, sitting upright and everything. Bye-bye. I think the bottom of this one is only about 70 feet or so. 70 or maybe 80 feet to the bottom. Did it work? Did it attack a lot of fish? Attract? Over every year that I went back, more and more fish live there, more life attached to it. So yes, it does work. And it's not the only one. We have planes that have been sunk. We have tons of these, a number of these types of wrecks that have been sunk. There's some other ones that are more accidental sinkings. We have a couple parks that have metal structures that we sink, or old sailboats, things like that. So, and yeah, the life moves in. It's just a matter of time. You're from Oregon, Randall? Nice. No tanks. US dumped a bunch of old tanks? Nice. Yeah, I mean, if they prep them up, get all the oil out and clean out any of the toxic stuff, which was the big part of the hard part about it. Yeah, that's awesome. Mount Hood. Oleg, good night. If you wrap it up before I come back. All right, bud. Let's see here. Did we hit the 100 likes, guys? Did we hit the 100 likes? We got to be close. 79. 79. Are you okay, Ralph? You okay? Yeah, it's pretty awesome. It was a fun experience for sure. Being involved in the cleanup, the prep, and then being there to watch it get sunk too was pretty cool. So do you think we have 20 people in the chat still that could hit that like button? 20 more people. Do we? If not, we're going to run out of time. We're going to have to do the giveaway anyways. So all right, I'm going to start working on building the form here, editing the form, because we did get a bunch of new entries. So we're up to 109 entries now. So I'm just going to I'm just gonna have to upload this to ChatGPT, get it to double check one more time for duplicates, and then add in the people who are trying my best to keep this form, fair for everybody. Get rid of all the duplicates. I saw that there was somebody who put in like 5 entries all in a row. I'm like, it doesn't work like that, bro. It doesn't work like that. So let's see how many names we got. How many names do we have here? Good evening from Hong Kong. Hong Kong in the house. Last week, Harrison from Hong Kong won. Oh, you are live here too? Yes, I am Jatten. One of the very few comments we got from X, guys. Look at that. Jatten found me on X, and he said, "What's up?" through X. So not very many times do we get any comments from X. Discord link's not working for you? Really? Profit factor? So you're talking about the pinned one in the comment section there? Are you using the one in the comment section, or sorry, the pinned comment in the comment section, or the one from the description? Because the one in the comment section should be, the pinned comment should be the best one. I just clicked it and it showed me, it gave me the link. Hey, thanks, Jatten. Live chat and comment section says the same thing. Huh. Yakaway Tube, are you actually trading? Yes, I took a trade earlier in a Lucid eval here. I took a short here off the view up. Looks like we could have taken another short off the view up. Too busy doing the giveaway here again. But yeah, I made 321 bucks in that earlier trade. Ink Trading, what's up? You guys are in the vertical stream, guys. If you want to join the main stream, hit the pinned comment section. The comment there has a link to the full size stream. Hey, Devraj, how you doing? Let's go. What up? Discord is working fine. I joined it sometime back. Yeah, no, that's why Profit Factor's saying it's not working, but I just hit it too and it worked for me. So I'll send you another link though. Just try it again one more time here. Let me get a new link for you. Oh, we got 120 responses now. I don't get it, LOL. Yeah, so I just posted it in the comment section there. Again, in the comments, in the chat. So you can definitely hit that if you want. Should get you to it. We are going to run the giveaway here pretty soon, guys. So you got a couple minutes. I'll give you a couple more minutes just to get an entry. But if you don't get in on this giveaway, don't worry. We're doing another one for the next 2 Sundays in a row. And then anytime if you're on the stream, we'll be doing some duck races each day of the week here throughout the week to give extra submissions towards the giveaways on Sunday. So hey bud, you okay? Pretty big move down here, guys. I don't know that we're gonna go much lower than that. Look at that though. We could have taken about 3 trades banging winners here off rejecting off the VWAP. Addy, hit the there's a pinned comment in the comment section there in the chat. Hit that. It'll take you to the Discord. In the Discord, there's a giveaway channel. In the giveaway channel, there's a form. Just hit that little link and fill out the form. Once you fill out the form, you're entered for tonight, next Sunday, and the following Sunday's giveaway. You only have to fill it out one time. Trio 8448, what's up? It worked from your phone? Okay, nice, Profit Factor. Good. Okay, so we'll give you guys like another 4 minutes here to get your entries in, and then we're just gonna run the giveaway. And if you get in late, sorry, but you'll be entered in at least for the next Sunday anyways. Yes, Miss K, that is the correct area. So just scroll up from there. You'll see the enter here link. Hit that button. And that'll give you the form. Fill out the form and you will be entered. Gadgets. Oh, gadgets. Just hit the pinned comment section. Right? The pinned comment. That'll take you to the Discord. Look in the Discord and the giveaway channel. And there's a form inside the giveaway channel. You'll have to scroll up a little bit, but you'll find it up there. It's just a few, it's like a little bit of scrolling up and you'll find it there. Hey Trio, what's up, sir? Just call me Dave or call me Butcher or whatever. You don't need to call me sir. The Titan Investor, what's up? People already made 20K on the Grand Cup account. Crazy. Yeah, and yeah, that's what happened when I did the Patrick Whelan World event thingy. So we got 3 bonus entries. So we got about 72 people in there. But I'm gonna have to update the forms one more time here. So we have 130 people now. So, all right, we'll give you 1 more minute, guys, and then I'm gonna do it here. So we got, we're at 21 after. We're waiting till 22 after, and then we'll do it. I was actually a butcher for a couple years. Really, Miss K? That's cool. How many hours a day or how much time per day did you have to spend sharpening knives? I was just curious. Thanks, Trio. You have a nice day also. Okay, I'm cutting off the giveaway now. You're welcome to still fill it out, but I'm just gonna use the list that we have now. To update the master list. So if you missed it, I apologize, but don't worry, you'll be in for the next one for sure. So download CSV file, and then I go back to ChatGPT, and we'll upload that thing over there, and we'll say we have a couple new entries. Please update the list and remove all duplicates. Add the extra entry winners to the bottom of the list. Yeah, I hope so too. I hope whoever wins it ends up turning it into a funded account and then can post in the Discord saying that they got a payout. That'd be so good. Okay, I'm gonna grab the names here, guys. So, how many do we have? Anyways, we'll get that list going here. Let's go edit the names on the list. Paste. Okay, and then we gotta add Rocket Fuel, Wesley, and Medi for the second entry giveaways. We'll add them to the bottom. So they'll have 2 ducks each. So if you guys want to get extra entries on the form in the future, Oh, don't worry. I can add you. Just go fill it out, Lam Thou. just go fill it out when you get a chance, and I'll add you. Um, 100 like complete. Thank you guys. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thanks for filling me out in there. Yeah, so if you guys in the future do want to get extra entries for the giveaway for next Sunday, just tune in anytime during the week and hang out till we do the duck race. We'll just do a quick form for people who are in the stream that day. Fill out the form, you'll get entered into the duck race for that day. And then whoever wins that duck race gets an extra submission to the giveaway on Sunday. Just kind of like give a little bonus to the people who are actively watching the stream. So thank you guys. I appreciate you. Oh, what happened? Nope. We want to do it over here. Here we go. Full screen. Okay, so let's go 1:23. 1 minute and 23 seconds here. Look how many ducks there are, guys. There's so many ducks here. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. I'm gonna shuffle these guys around a little bit so you guys know it's random. And I gotta remove the banner here real quick. Let's get rid of that banner. And good luck, everybody. Good luck. And I'm gonna get some better music going here real quick too. Let's just drag this out as long as we can. Let's drag this out. Let's do the roll count song. All right, guys. Are you ready?
Base hit secured. Stops respected. Boner candles printed. This one's for the butcher gang.
Good luck, good luck. Hey, here we go. Webb taking the front here, the pink number 25. Chris in there. We got Anaket, Trading Game in the house. The Loyalist Ledger. There's Medi. Medi won the duck race for the extra entry in the week. Bone Collector. Yo, Jim Blab there. Global Summary. Rosenfeltz. I see Jane. Jane Bond 999. Adam Daz pulling up the top in the back. From the back in the top. Profit per tick. Trevor's in the house. There's Miss Sika Lyric. So good. Wesley NQ, Force Fed. There's my dad, Mr. Stewart, with the blue baseball cap backwards. Facile Crypto, who's pushing up here? There's Rocket Fuel, K2W. Harrison. So Harrison cannot win again today, guys, unfortunately. He won last week. So if he wins, we're going to have to run it back. Wesley NQ pushing out of the front right now. He's got 2 entries with the Batman duck. 10 seconds left. Who's going to come from the back right now? Somebody going to win from the back? 8 seconds. Looks like Wesley's going to win. Oh, stop loss hit by Wesley. Who's coming up here? Bone Collector. Bone Collector takes it with the Vampire Duck. Bone Collector in the house. Are you here, Bone Collector? Are you here, Bone Collector? We're waiting for Bone Collector to say you're here in the chat. Congrats, Bone Collector. Are you here, Bone Collector? Maybe you're not here. Oh, I'm not getting a Bone Collector at the @ Let's see. We'll give him 2 minutes here. So once it gets to 31 after. Well, hey, VX, sometimes you won't see your duck. There's like 79 or almost 100 entries, so you might not see it. So Rashid, your name is probably there. You just might not see it, bro, because there's just so many entries, right? 30 seconds. Oh, come on. I gave. It's okay. If he's here, he's here. If he's not, he's not. He's busy out sucking blood and collecting bones, right, Ranja? Yeah, you won't always see the name, guys. There's 70 entries, so right. There's 70 entries, so half of the ducks are like off of the screen. So you're not going to see your name for sure. So don't worry about that. Everybody's name that entered is in there. Trust me. Okay. We'll give them 30 more seconds. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. Bone Collector. Are you here, Mr. Bone Collector? Okay, guys, let's race again here. Sorry, Mr. Bone Collector, but you missed your opportunity here. So we're going to shuffle the characters around a couple more times. 77 people or so in the giveaway here. Good luck, everybody. He's collecting dinner bones, not here for the giveaway. Yes, I know, right? All right, guys, let's get it ready. Let's get it ready to go here. Call the police because the bone collector did not show up. Why is it not coming through here? What's going on with these sounds? Okay, here we go. We're off. And we're off. Topple Fiddle. Park Tune Trades. Branets. The 1 Minute Millionaire. Angia GBU. God bless you. Scalp Million in the house. The Loyalist Ledger. Yo Jim Blob. Cryptid Crow. Economic Pulse. Adam Daz. Noble, Nina, Profit per tick, and Trade Tracker here. Philly Trader pushing up from the back. The poor guy ripping. No, not now, right? I know you don't want to be out in front, Branett. Sorry, Philly Trader. Sorry, poor guy. You're probably not going to win. Lady Sika, AK Lyric, pushing up a little early. Jane Bond pushing up a little early. Oh, you guys. Harrison there again. Sorry, Harrison. Hopefully you don't win again because we'll have to run it back. Rocket Fuel K2W also pushing up here. Number 72. 18 seconds left. It always tends to be somebody from the back of the pack. So if you're up in the front, don't count your chickens too early. Harrison, you can't win again, bro. You can't win again, Harrison. Looks like we're going to run it again. Run it back, guys. So we're going to have to run it again, guys, because Harrison won last week. Are you here, Harrison? I'm just curious if you're here. I just want you to know that we can't give it to you again, so because you won it last week. So is Harrison even here tonight? Doesn't look like Harrison's here anyways, guys, so we're gonna race it again. Hey, sorry guys, if you entered just now, you missed it because we're already doing the duck race. So but you will be entered already for next Sunday. So sorry if you're late and if you missed it, but if you want to join for the giveaway for next Sunday there, Drew Wickles, hit the pinned comment there. It'll take you to the Discord. In the Discord is the giveaway channel, and there's a form in there. Just fill that out. So, and you'll be in. So, Kier, you might not see your name because there's 77 people. So if you entered, your name is in there for sure. unless you made duplicates, then you'll only have one entry. So if you entered with like multiple names, you'll only have one name in there, because I used ChatGPT to formulate the list. Anyone who had duplicate emails, duplicate names, they're all removed. So Devraj, your name is probably there because there's 77 people. Sorry, bro. It's there. I took the list, we uploaded it to ChatGPT, and it's all there. They're all there. So we'll shuffle it a couple times here just to make sure that it's a slightly different ratio or different entry here. So good luck, everybody. Yeah, I mean, there's 77 names, dude. People fall off the back of the screen, so don't worry, your name's on there. It's got to be. All right, let's see here. Getting ready to go here one more time. Let's see if we can find the winner. Good luck. And we're off. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Adam Daz, Scalp Million, Wesley NQ, Wrong Trading, Judah, Miss K99, Andrew P, Carol, Joey, Trades by Shaz Zagia, JMO, Economic Pulse, Cryptid Crow, Trevor, Tim Korth. See, I'm seeing all different names this time too, guys. The Business Lens, Puente, Pactoon Trades, SVJR 35 Trades, Oleg, Rosenfeld, Cryptid, Noi. See, I'm seeing all different names than I saw in the last two races already. So there's so many people. Sometimes you're just not gonna get seen. You just won't get to see your duck. It's just the way it is. So let's see. Judah, Medi NQ, Brana, it's JMO pushing out. Noble. Oh, look at here. Look who's that. Masika Lyric. Trader's Nest. Medi is a winner, guys. Medi NQ, are you in the chat, buddy? He's not here? Not here, hey? Okay, let me just take a quick look. Key URR.
Gold is heavy, oil slippery, net gas explosive. And if you full port MNQ during Farm C, you might become the next boner candle victim. Good night, Butcher Gang. The Market Butcher roll call.
Yeah, I see your name on the list. Pambar Kier. Pambar6 at gmail.com. You're on the list, bro. And then who was the other person who was saying it? Devraj. Let me see. Devraj. Devraj, sorry. What's the rest of it? I'm lost your name now. Devraj Malik. Yeah, Devraj, you're in there, bro. Devraj Araya. Devraj Malik.
No crime, just base hits stacking one trade at a time. If you blue the evil, reload and grind, cause the butcher gang different from the rest online. Top chat legends in the building tonight. Market butcher crew got the whole stream hype. Lucid giveaways and the candles all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. Brody acted 34 in attack mode. And Brown 8166 carrying heavy loads. 6K is smooth while the market explodes. Randall Pro trader riding bullets roads. Daily candle trade watching every week. Erkin never next, calling every flip. Chris G6 never panic clicks. No Wi-Fi, 5 got discipline wrist. Skeletor 619 came out the crypt. Lockless Walko with the EVG scripts. Richard 38 steady never slips. Fast so crypto got the crypto tip. Basics. 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 Trade like adults. Trade like adults. Spoil the candle. Influence probably buying the dip. Drew 69 Malibu cruising too slick. 5447 got memes in the clip. Charles Daddy 569. Don't quit. Randy trades futures chasing that flow. Trading on me yelling shorty bro. Will 29 steady nice and slow. Adam Dash got another funny goal. Clean Taurus loving all stream long. Team S of 959 for singing this song. Rob Miller Hagen staying strong. Mango M lady where you belong. Just ain't right. Blackout News Network. Bernat's. We see all of you. We see all of you.
Give me 1 sec here, guys. I'm just gonna double check the list here on the docs and make sure everybody's in.
Funded accounts got the people outside. Top 1 futures and the MBT tribe. Economic pulse, watch the macros fly. TradeX investing got that eagle eye. Candle dealer cooking candles all night. Joanna's so close to scream outright. And remember, chat, gold is heavy, oil slippery, net gas explosive. And if you full port MNQ during Farm C, you might become the next boner candle victim. Good night, Butcher Gang. The Market Butcher roll call. Another Sunday in the books. Base hit secured. Stops respected. Boner candles printed. This one's for the Butcher Gang. Top chat legends in the building tonight. Market Butcher crew got the whole stream hype. Lucid giveaways and the candles all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. MBT code
Sorry, guys. We'll do another duck race here. Just one sec. Let me just. I'm just making sure that everybody's in the list here. Because while people's names were on the list, some of them may not have made it into the final list. So I'm just double checking to make sure. Give me one more sec here. I'm almost done. Okay. We are ready now. We are ready. This has got to be the proper list now. All right. Yeah. See, we did have a few people missing. So now they spread it out. We made 2 rows because there was a couple people missing. So Donna H. Yes. Tuculus, you best see yourself. Okay, guys. Let's shuffle these guys around. Good luck here. Well, hey, no harm, no foul if anyone did get left out of it earlier duck race. So sorry, guys. I can't check everybody, though. It will take forever. So all right, let's go. Good luck, hey. Good luck, everybody. Heavy D Barbecue, Appy, M Brown, Ola, Rashid, Economic Pulse, Tony L, 1 Minute Millionaire, Noi, No Life, Richard Dowdy, Wrong Trade Jim, Hero Crypto, Avi, Augie, Frichi, Masika, Topple Fiddle, Mid-Century, Lemix, Puente, Trade with Taj, Stack Dubs, Rocket Fuel number 2, MNQ number 2, the 44, the Punisher, Yo Jim Blob. Who's pushing up here? We got OG Trader, Josh ND9, Tajul, Puente, Appy. Who's gonna win here? No. NQ man pulling up from the back. 20 seconds left here. Stop losses hit there. A bunch of guys falling back. Josh falling back. Cana 05. Tajul. Puente. Kier. Ooh, who's going to win? Is Gamer? IND Gamer? Oh, who's this on the bottom here? Andrew P. 1808. Andrew P. 1808. Kanan almost won there, eh? Andrew P, are you in the house? Are we gonna have to run this again? Why the Black Ducks always wins? Good question, good question. It's a panda. It's a panda, bro. I don't see Andrew in the chat though. Andrew, are you here? Oh, there he is. Nice. Congrats, Andrew. Andrew. There you go, buddy. Raise the roof, Andrew. Congrats, bro. Congrats. There you go, Andrew. Okay, so Andrew, just go in the Discord in the general chat. just say something in the general channel there. And then once I see your name in there, I will direct message you here shortly, and then we'll get you that code.
Sunday night, Globex open. Market butcher in the building.
Okay,
Lucid giveaways.
let me just check here.
One futures. Code MBT, baby. Trade like adults,
Andrew.
but laugh like degenerates. Bone a candle straight to the moon tonight. MNQ jumping check, feeling too alive. Bass hits only, we ain't chasing highs. FEG lined up, now the shorts all crying. MBT
431 times 5. Nice job, Force Fed.
trading funded, dreams all night. Top one futures got the butchers outside. Risk management gang, yeah, we still survive. Sunday stream smelling like fresh cut gains. We whap touch, then we running that range. FEG flip got the bears in pain. One bad trade, nah fam, cut that chain. Chat yelling long while gold gets heavy. Oil too slippery, nat gas deli. Mustang cooking up another clean entry market. Butcher slicing charge.
Hey, I sent you a message there in the Discord, Andrew.
Kids YOLO blow. Discord lit while the beats stay low. Bone a candle print in the chat, yo. Don't revenge trade, don't fade the trend. Move that stop up, let the winners extend. If you blow the evil reload, my friend. Code MBT gonna save you again.
Lucky if you missed the giveaway, just hit the comment, the pinned comment there. You can still fill out the form for next Sunday. And if you end up coming to any of the streams throughout the week, we'll be doing duck races to give an extra entry into the giveaway for next Sunday.
Lucid trading funded, dreams all night. Top one futures got the butchers outside. Risk management gang, yeah, we still survive. Chat say, Dave, should I full port NQ? No. What would an adult trader do? Scaling smart, don't act brand new, cause book map sharks out hunting for you. POC
Consolidating in this range is dangerous for bulls now.
one guy long on top of 17.
KLWMSGM, have a good night, bro. Thanks for hanging out.
Stacking them piles. Top one codes got the whole chat.
I gotta end the stream here pretty soon too. I gotta be up for
Late night glow.
be up pretty early tomorrow.
Candles glowing blue. Trade zealot journaling. Discord vibing. No tilt. No fear. Just
Oh, you're in the States? Okay, perfect, Andrew. Let me just get you the code. So all you're going to have to do is head over to the Lucid platform, right? Go act as if you're going to buy the account, which is a 25K flex eval. And then when you get to the payment part, it's going to ask you for a discount code. And then you just put the code in there that I'm going to send you here in a second. And that'll put it down to $0. And then you'll get that account. And then just please just send me a screenshot once you get that done. Appreciate it. So let me just get that code here for you real quick.
basis forever. If the trade looks stupid, don't take it. And remember, gold is heavy, oil slippery. Nat gas explosive. Bone up. Candle. Boner.
So there, I just send you the code. And then,
Sunday night.
like I said, just go fill it out. Like as if you're going to buy it, pop that code in there. And it should bring the price down to $0. And then let me know. Let me know when you get that done.
Trade like adults.
So thanks for hanging out, everybody. I appreciate you guys being here. We still have about 72 people in the chat. We are consolidating. I do agree that we might end up going higher here. We'll have to see how this ends up playing out. Sort of have a bit of a flag forming here. Something like this. We got a little bit of a triangle bullish thingy going on here. we did have this bearish fair value gap, but did we ever? We did finally invert it, but then we've inverted it again. So we'll pull that guy off. We're right on the view up though. I mean, no guarantee that we're gonna go higher though. I think first things first is we need to break that view up with some volume and some momentum. So thank you, Angia. Thank you. Oh. Nobody's in the vertical stream. I'm gonna end that one now.